Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delightful gummy candy bouquet. To begin, gather your essential materials. You'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of your favorite gummy candies, a sturdy vase around 6 to 8 inches tall, and wooden skewers. Don't forget floral foam, decorative tissue paper, floral tape, ribbon, and a hot glue gun. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's prepare your sweet treats. Carefully thread each gummy candy onto a wooden skewer, leaving a small space at the bottom. For larger or heavier gummies, using 2 skewers will provide much better stability. Make sure your skewers are long enough to create a lovely height in your vase. Arranging your candies by color or type now will help you visualize your beautiful final design. Now it's time to assemble your stunning bouquet. First, place a block of floral foam securely into the bottom of your chosen vase. Begin inserting the candy skewers into the foam, starting from the center and working your way outwards. Aim to create a pleasing dome shape, ensuring an even distribution of all your delicious candies. Fill any smaller gaps with extra gummies or decorative elements for a full, lush appearance. Finally, let's add those perfect finishing touches to your sweet creation. Cover the floral foam with some decorative tissue paper or crinkled cellophane for a polished look. Wrap a beautiful ribbon around the vase, securing it with a neat bow for an elegant touch. You can also add small embellishments like tiny bows or a sprinkle of glitter. Now, your handmade gummy candy bouquet is ready to be presented as a truly unique and thoughtful gift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.